Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we are going to be creating all kinds of different types of fish. Ready to start? All right, stay tuned. I do have a video on how to draw a Dr. Seuss type of a fish, and it goes step by step on that. It's a pretty easy video to learn how to draw fish. What I'm going to be drawing today is I'm going to start with a head, and I kind of draw a curved line like this, all right? And then I come down right about here. And this fish is going to have a really big mouth. So I'm going to kind of round the lip of my mouth and come back like that, all right? It's kind of like the outline right here. Now I'm going to come in with a big jaw like this, all right? Kind of a curved line. And then I'm going to come back down like this and bring it up like this. This is their gills. And for my fish, sometimes I like to draw the head first, and then I'll draw the eyes, and then I'll just kind of get creative on how I want the body to look like. I think I might give it a big cartoon type of an eye with the pupil looking in this direction. And I can't wait to start drawing the teeth, but I think I'm going to finish the body first here. And on this one, I might give it kind of a big belly. So belly kind of comes down like this. And then I have a line here, and I'll join that right to this line right here. This is going to be my tail fin right here. So my tail fin, remember, don't draw this yet, but a tail fin is kind of like a shape of a triangle, like this, all right? So I'm going to try to make it the shape of that. So it's okay to make sketch marks. So I'm just going to go in here and follow my sketch marks like this, and I'll kind of bring this in a little bit like that, and bring it out right there, okay? And then I can go ahead and erase some of the lines here. When I am drawing, I'm always making little sketches with my pencil, and I just have to go in and erase it. Let's go ahead and draw the dorsal fin. For the dorsal fin, it's going to be like a triangle. You can make it like a triangle if you want to. It's going to be like this type of a shape, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lines. I'm going to go ahead and erase this line first. All right, so I'm going to put a little line like this. Then another line goes up, another one here, there, just like that, all right? Now I'm going to join each line with kind of a curved line that goes up, like this. Curved line, another curved line, another curved line, another curved, just like that, all right? Now I'm going to draw the pectoral fin. Pectoral fin is on the side right here, and that is also a good shape, is almost like a triangle like this, all right? So I'm just going to go in like that. Erase some of my sketch lines. And sometimes I like to put a curve there, just to kind of add a little definition and shape. All right, and then I'll put the anal fin over here, like that. Now I can kind of go in and add some details to my fins, and maybe I kind of want to draw some lines like this. And like I said, go and take a look at some fish pictures and see how they did that. And I'll kind of draw another line going like this. You can't go wrong. Just be creative. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I do this all the time, and sometimes I do something, it's like, well, that didn't work out, so I'll go ahead and erase it, or I'll just start over, but keep all of your pictures because it's nice just to see how you're progressing, and you might use some of your pictures later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the teeth. So I'm just going to draw some curved teeth like this. Some nice triangles, some different shapes. And as I go down here, my triangles start getting a little bit smaller. So I'll draw another triangle, a curved triangle for the... All right. And I'm not going to go in here because I want to make the illusion that the teeth are kind of going this way, and that way he can swallow some big minnows. And so this is kind of a neat way to draw a fish. If you want to, you can even put some other little characteristics in here, maybe a little line by its eye. And then the fun thing is going back and coloring that. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can add a couple more fish to our picture. Maybe this fish is going after another fish. All right, so I'm just going to draw another fish with a big old mouth. All right. And your design of your fish can be different than mine. I'll make my fin just a little different on this one. Add the tail fin. Maybe the tail fin can be a little more slimmer. Add my pectoral fin up there. Got the anal fin here. All right. Kind of looks neat. Maybe on this fish, I can have this one going after another one. Like that. So they start to get smaller and smaller, don't they? And for the small fish, I'm just putting a little eyeball there. And maybe this one is going after a little tiny minnow right there. That's kind of a neat thing right here. So this fish is going to eat this fish, and this one is going to eat this one, and this one is going to eat this one. Another neat idea is you could have a bunch of little fish over here that are going after the big fish. So it's kind of like the number 8, what I'm drawing here. This is just a really quick way to draw a fish. So right here we have a bunch of little fish going after the big fish. The big fish is going after this medium-sized fish. Medium one is going after the smaller one, and the smaller one is going after the little tiny one. So it just kind of goes around and around. So it's a fun little drawing to do. Hey, I hope you had a fun day drawing with me. I hope you are very creative with your drawings, and I hope it is relaxing for you. And like always, have a fun day. Adios! Bye-bye.